as a ring question, June 1142, varying in question number 6. Okay, and we have given one ring and one bead mentioned, and 50, 15, 80. So you know that this has become an isosceles triangle. When I draw a perpendicular from here, it cut this 80 to equal halves, 40, 40. I use adjacent by hypotenuse. I got angle 36.87. So this means this angle and this angle both are equal to each other. And I have two angles. And you can ask, why is both tension this time equal? Because weight hanging downward 6 Newton. Actually what happens, because ring has capacity, that string will slip through the ring. So tension here and tension here always equal to each other. So that is why. Okay, if I ask you what is tension, so it has two components, one this way and one this way. Because 36.87, so 36.87 here. Okay, and what this one, T cos 36.87. Okay, what about this, T sine 36.87? And similarly one, it means it has two components this way, and this is 36.87, and this becomes T cos 36.87, and this becomes T sine 36.87. Can I say this plus this equal to this? Reason is very clear, because they are equal to each other. So let's talk about vertically. So vertically, what is the situation? I can say these addition, so I can write here T sine 36.87 plus T sine 36.87 and equals to the upward equal downward, so equal to 6. So it becomes 2T sine 36.87 equal to 6. So leave T alone, and this 2 and this comes down. I think so, very clear. Okay, now let's see what answer come from here. So I type this value, so 6 divided by 2 times 2 sine 36.87, and my answer is coming 4.99999. It means I can say my answer is sharp 5 newtons. Okay, so my first part is over. So second part is asking small f and r on B. Actually you can see here, first he talked about on acting on an R. So my full attention was on R. You can see here please. So all 5 forces, how many 5? No, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 forces acting on a R. But this time he said, bring your attention on where? On bead. So actually let's talk about bead now. So bead now. So when I talk about bead, so look here please attentively, this is a bead. This is a bead, okay? And this force, and my question, I said before, force and tensions are equal to each other but opposite in direction. If force is this way, tension goes this way. So, but say opposite direction. What is this tension? 5 Newton. My question from you, if this is a tension 5 Newton, what is this called? Force 5 Newton. Again, there's a 5 Newton tension. What is this called? 5 Newton force. So I wrote, this is not tension for your knowledge. This is force. Reason I said before, if tension goes this way, so force goes other side. So actually, now first my full attention was ring. Okay, first my full attention on the ring. Now I brought my attention on the bead. So you can see talk about all forces acting on a bead. On a bead, one force this acting, and bead mass is what mentioned here. I think bead mass is mentioned here 0.6. So 0.6, no, ring is 0.6. Bead is a 0.4. So 0.4 mass of the bead, 0.4 into 10. I can say this is a 4 newtons downwards. This is called normal reaction. I taught last time to you. Normal reaction. R is called normal reaction. If I pull the force this way, okay, what is this angle? The angle will not change. Angle remains same, 36.87. What is this component and what is this component? Easy for you. This is 36.87 degree angle. So can I say this is a 5 cos 36.87 and this is a 5 sine 36.87. And my question, if you pull this way, so it's about to move this way. Where's friction? Backward. So this is called friction. And he is asking what? Small f and capital R. So small f is equal to this only. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, we got our answer so simple. So 5 times 2 sine 36.87, and I got my friction force 3 newtons sharp. And if I ask what is R? R is equal to this and this add. So R is equal to 5 sine 36.87 plus 4. So let's find what answer comes. So 36.87 and plus 4. And answer, I'm getting sharp 7 newtons. So I got, last part he is asking us, find mu. And how to find mu? We have formula, remember? So F is equal to mu R. You know the formula? And what's the mu value? Mu value is small f by capital R. Small f is 3 newtons, R is 7 newtons. So we got so 3 by 7 is our answer, and that's it. This question is over.